What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So, since we're all quarantined, I figured I'd make a quick video of going through everything you guys need to do. So, if we come first, actually let's go back here, let's go to classwork, day 22, see our plans here. So, recognize and understand vocab terms, again, that'll be part of completing your quiz. Complete grammatically correct lists, that'll be related to your no red ink. So you'll take the vocab number 3 quiz, then do a no red ink pretest and the practice if you get below 85%. Remember, you only have to do the practice if you get below 85% on the pretest. Guided practice, there's a no red ink video that Miss Hukel did with her class. And for your independent practice, you have the vocab quiz and the no red ink pretest and the practice if you have to take it. Again, you guys will be graded for your vocab quiz, like always, and your understanding of the no red ink subject. Remember, the pretest is never for a grade, okay? But it kind of lets you know where you're at, and then if you have to do that practice, then it'll help you with that too, okay? So you can kind of see our plans there, and we'll come back to classwork. No red ink notes, the video is right here, and there is a note sheet, okay? And then your vocab quiz number 3 right here, okay? If you have any questions, email me. I'll have a Google Meet open if anyone wants to join it. But with that, have a wonderful day.